In this video I'm going to show you how to get verified on Instagram. So first, what you want to do is open up your Instagram account. Now, if you are a celebrity or an influencer, you want to do the following steps. So go to your settings and privacy, scroll down, click on help, then click on help censure, then in the search type in verified, click on it, request a verified badge for your Instagram profile, click on that, and basically here are the steps that you need to do. Now of course, first you need to be professional account type, so you go to the hamburger menu, go to the settings, and then you basically just type in request information, you enter your details and follow on-screen instructions. That's if you are a celebrity or an influencer. But if you are not, here's what you need to do. Again, go to your profile, hamburger menu, settings and privacy, account censure. Now here, you should be able to see Meta Verified. If you don't see Meta Verified, go back to your profile, click on Edit Profile, and then click on this Sign Up for Meta Verified. Once you're here, it will automatically load this page, and you just need to click on Join Waitlist, and then click OK, and that's it. Then you need to wait until this feature becomes available to you, because this is not available to everybody, only to a specific people in certain countries and regions. So you need to have patience. And it costs around $10 a month, if I think. But yeah, if this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, subscribe that this video helped you out. If this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem and I will do my best to sort it out for you.